one of the cool things about the student book in Piano Pyramid, here I have one of them, is that it's like 3 books in one. So we have all of our ensemble pieces, all the repertoire pieces. There are 12 ensemble parts in here. Then you have your theory pages, and they correlate exactly with the pieces that the students will be playing. Then we have scales in the book. For Pianist 3, the scales are 2 octaves. For different levels of the student book, you would have different level of scales. And then there's a really cool appendix that has a music dictionary and a grand staff diagram for students who need to review how to figure out the names of the notes. Am I ready to move up to the next level? That's a very important piece of information for the students to be able to figure out on their own if they're ready to level up. And then, of course, we have flashcards. So there's everything that the student will need is already in the student book of the Piano Pyramid group piano method.